Assalamualaikum. I'm Sana from Sana Talks. Hope you people are fine, alive and kicking and learning as well. Today I'm going to share with you the four methods that will really help you out to learn faster. Number one, that you have to surround yourself with the people who are speaking with you in English, or maybe you can find a environment that where you can speak with them in English too. Number two, what you have to do, you have to learn with observation, right? How other people are speaking and how you are speaking, right? So number three is speak out loud, and number four is that you have to practice on daily basis. Practice makes a man perfect. So if you want to be perfect, do practice, otherwise you will never get the fruitful results. And if you want to get results as soon as possible, speak now. Don't wait for someone to speak with you. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment, share, and do subscribe. Otherwise, you will never get the next video. Allah Hafiz.